Kamachielo nyakoro mgajwang timbe mag Diani Stars kachiel gi Mwanambenyu Girls ejolo tuke mag adhula mag Kwale Beach Soccer manobagi odira mokalo dho wath. Diani Stars nolo tim mar Barnabas gonde 4-2 finals mag yowuoyi kinde ma Mwanambenyu Girls no kao kombe toklo tim mar Diani Queens gonde 4-2. Hussein Mohamed man jakom mar riwruok matayo tuke adhula pachoka opoyo okang' mar riwruogno kao mar tego tuke adhula mag dho wedhe kosingo ni pod gibiro dhi nyime gi miyo rawere thuolo mar nyiso mich margi e tuke mopogore opogore.
Beach football is big business all over the world. Sports tourism is big business all over the world. People travel thousands of kilometers to go and follow their most favorite teams to come and to go and watch football. And you saw with what happened with Chan. Kenya put up one of the best tournaments in the history of that game. So next year we are going to have very, very, very competitive football at the grassroots. And we will start that initiative later on this year. I want to challenge all the coastal counties to put together formidable teams.